Hi kindergartners, it's Mrs. Farrell and Jack. We're back to do another number talk with you for you today. For those of you who don't know me, I am Mrs. Farrell. I'm the math coach at Emerson and Madison. For those of you who do know me at my schools, I know you've been watching for a couple weeks. You may see some other math coaches, and you probably already have seen some other math coaches doing some number talks as well. So we're actually working on doing this for the whole district. So some days you'll see me, and some days you'll see some other math coaches around the district. So enjoy all that they have to offer. So today we're going to revisit the 10 frame, and we are used to these 10 frames from all the work you guys have been doing at school. And a lot of times when we fill our 10 frames, we start in the top left and we work our way across. And you guys are getting real good at being able to see numbers on those 10 frames when we start at the top left and move our way across. So today I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to show you a 10 frame that isn't just filled with dots all the way across. So I'm going to show you an image of a 10 frame. When you're ready, I want you to, well, first of all, figure out how many you think there are, and then when you're ready, be ready to share your thinking with someone around you. So I'll show you the 10 frame today. Go ahead and pause it so you have time to think about it, and then we'll listen to what Jack thinks, okay? So here you go. Again, pause if you need to. Are you ready, Jack? Mm-hmm. All right, Jack, how many dots do you think are on this 10 frame?
8.
8. Jack says 8. All right, so if you agree with Jack, you could be thinking, oh, I agree with him. Or if you disagree, be thinking about what your number was. So, Jack, why do you think there were 8? How did you see 8?
Because 4's right there, and then another 4's right there.
Oh, okay. So Jack kind of divided it up into two groups of 4. He saw these 4 here, kind of remind you of how the dots are set up on a dice. And then how did you know this was 4 on this side?
Because there's 5 and only 3 over here.
Oh, okay. So that's actually a different way you could look at it. There's 2 ways right there that he kind of just shared. So we had 4 and then 4 over here, because we know 3 plus 1 is 4. And then he knew 4 plus 4 equaled 8. And then another way that he just mentioned is he knew there were 5 over here. And that's actually how I had seen it. So how do we know that's 5, Jack?
Because 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Okay, so 3 plus 2 more equals 5. And then how did you know this was 3 on this side?
Because 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Okay. So then if we looked at it as 5 plus 3, how would we know how much 5 plus 3 is, what the sum is of 5 plus 3?
So take this one over, and then that would be 4 plus 4.
Oh, so Jack's moving it over and making it 4 plus 4. Another thing you might have done is you might have thought 5 and then counted on 6, 7, 8. I like how Jack just shared that idea too, is bringing that counter over, or that dot over, and setting it up more like 2 dice. And if we know our doubles, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 is one of our doubles. 4 plus 4 does equal 8. All right, Jack, thank you for sharing. Have a great day, kindergarten.